Hi, I will make a chapagetti today. There are many types of chapagetti. Today I will make a Sachon style chapagetti. This is Sachon chapagetti. This chapagetti is a little bit different with the normal chapagetti because a normal one is very sweet and salty, but this chapagetti has spicy flavor oil in this package. I will give you one tip. When you make a ramyeon, if you want to look like Korean, then you should crush the ramyeon half like this. First, boil the water. When it starts to boil, you should put in the noodle. There are 3 extra ingredients in there. First one is flake. Second one is soup. And last one is spicy flavor oil. Flake. And waiting for when the noodle will be smooth. In Korea, people usually pour away the water when they make the chapagetti. But today, I put in the little water, so I think I don't need to pour away the water. Just braise it. I made it like this from when I was young. Now the noodle is done. Then put in the chapagetti soup. And mix them. I think there is a little bit much water. So I have to braise more. Yeah, it's all done. And last, this spicy flavor. Turn off the fire and put in. I usually eat this Sachon chapagetti with the pakimchi. Pakimchi is the Korean green onion kimchi. But I don't have it now, so I have 1 egg. It's very delicious to put the egg on the chapagetti. Fried egg. I like the sunny side up, so when I make the fried egg, I usually use the very weak fire. Oh my god. Unfortunately, the fried egg is dying. And this is all done. Thank you for watching.